talked a little bit about workflow canvas, and really what Indico 5 is going to do is really put the power in the user's hands, right, on the orchestration of their workflows. I know it's not super relevant for Johnson Controls right now, but maybe talk about the benefit or the value that you see that could unlock for Johnson Controls as well as in the market.
So this actually does have some significant benefit for us, because if you can imagine, you in every document you have multiple fields, you have multiple iterations of a field, you have you have a large amount of post processing that you have to do with the document once you get it in your hands. You may have turned that document from an image into actionable data, but you've got to manipulate that actionable data, just like we said before with linked lists. You have to piece that together into how you can use it downstream. Being able to manipulate the workflow takes the custom scripting side to a certain extent out of our hands, in a good way. Because now within the product and above your RPA downstream, you can take a lot of that and actually manipulate the data within Indico itself. So the value is in the simplicity. You're no longer maintaining your own code downstream in order to do this transformation. You can do it within the workflow itself.
Yeah, and I think like what's super beneficial is it's really in the hands of the business user, right, to orchestrate that workflow, but then also be able to triage. But I would think for COEs, like within Johnson Controls, they don't have to be so reliant on you all to really like pinpoint everything that's going on, and troubleshoot. So I think like that could serve a huge benefit for those COEs that are really central within their organizations.
True. And again, it gets back to the simplification, right? And you can shift the building and the logic and the knowledge off of IT to a certain extent and further into the business, who has the best knowledge of what the documents are and their structure.
Yeah, and I think for those COEs, it allows them to stay lean, but like still create scale throughout the enterprise, right? And allow the business to continue to have benefits or velocity.